Welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights, and today we're going to make a little orzo salad. Orzo salad, well, orzo is a pasta actually that looks like rice, but it's a very popular pasta that looks like rice. I'm going to make an orzo salad, a simple orzo salad. First, I'm going to make the vinaigrette to dress the salad. So let's go ahead and mix the vinaigrette. So in the blender I have red wine vinegar and lemon juice. And now we're going to add the honey. We're making the vinaigrette for the orzo salad, a red wine vinaigrette. Okay, so we're going to add some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. So let's close this up and we'll blend. And whilst we blend, I have a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil here, which we're going to pour in there whilst the machine is running. So let's start the machine, get the machine going, and then we'll start our drizzling. So while the machine is running, we're going to pour the oil in. And there we have it. That's our vinaigrette, our red wine vinaigrette. So we'll set this aside and we'll toss our orzo now. Toss the orzo. So let's cut up some of the veggies we're going to mix with we're going to toss with the orzo. I have half of a red onion here that I'm going to incorporate it into the salad. And I'm trying to cut this as thinly as possible. Very thin. And we just toss this into our bowl here. I have a piece of the green part of the scallion I'm going to use. Because I don't want the oniony flavor. I'm having enough onion in there already, so I'll leave the white part of the scallion out. Let's get that in there. I have a little piece of bell pepper here, just for some color and some crunch. I cut it in matchsticks. And then I'll just dice this in small dices. And we have some pitted olives, which I halved. I just cut them in half. We're going to just put these into the mix. Some cherry tomatoes. Some of them are large, so I cut them in 4. We just need some cherry tomatoes in there. Some chickpeas and some dried cranberries. Put some dried cranberries in there, along with some chickpeas. And that's about it. You can put some feta cheese in there if you care, if you like feta cheese. But I'm going to just put a little bit of parmesan when I'm done. And this is the Orzo pasta. We're going to just put our Orzo in there. And we're going to grab another fork. How are we going to toss this here? Start the tossing motion here. And we're going to add now some of the vinaigrette. Just give it a stir, so just to make sure nothing's settled. You pour about a quarter cup and give it a toss. You just want to make sure that everything is coated. You don't want it really swimming in the vinaigrette. Just make sure that everything is coated. And then we'll just give it a taste. Very good. Then this is a little bit of black pepper. And just a touch of kosher salt. And then I love heat and everything, so I'm going to add some red pepper flakes. Just a little, just about a half a teaspoon. That's going to give it a nice kick. So you continue tossing. And we're done. And that's it. A wonderful orzo salad with red wine vinaigrette. I'll put all the instructions and the measurements in the description box. And this is a salad you can have for a midweek lunch or a barbecue in the backyard or picnic or anything. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip. Here we go, guys. Here's a wonderful taste test. Let's see. That's an olive. Some chickpeas. A little piece of tomato. And some orzo. It's phenomenal. The Parmesan did a very good job. getting the sweet from the cranberries and the honey vinaigrette. Awesome. A plus. So it's a win-win situation here. Like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip. The wonderful Orzo salad.